Do you know that around the world, millions of people are suffering from soft and hard tissue diseases? Ingraft is the flagship product of ENF Medical and is poised to tackle this problem by redefining bone healing through cutting edge nanofiber technology solutions that improve patient outcomes while reducing healthcare costs. ENF Medical, a startup based in Edmond, Oklahoma, is where innovation meets healing with unique electrospun nanofiber technology. So, what is electrospun nanofiber? It's an innovative material being used for developing different kinds of biomedical products, spanning from coating implants to impregnated dressings for deep wound healing. Ingraft, in particular, transforms orthopedic care with a unique bone graft that is customizable, bioabsorbable, and weight bearing to prioritize faster patient recovery and patient safety for true global impact. This solution is bolstered by a collaboration with the Foot and Ankle Research Lab at Harvard Medical School to address a major orthopedic market gap. In the US alone, there are more than 500,000 critical size bone defect surgeries annually. Globally, it's much greater with exponential medical and care costs. Current treatments like autografts and metal implants result in donor site pain, infections, prolonged recovery, and reoperation. Through customer discovery, ENF has identified an urgent need for a customizable, bioabsorbable, and weight bearing technology that the current offerings are just unable to meet. Ingraft directly addresses these pain points while targeting key customer segments like trauma hospitals, ambulatory surgical centers, and clinics that specialize in osteoporosis and limb lengthening. Demand is particularly high for trauma and fractures, osteopathic treatments, and more complex procedures like bone lengthening. The market requires a cost effective solution that is scalable, bioabsorbable, weight bearing, and customizable. Ingraft can address many kinds of bone defects, including small and long bone. By leveraging advanced nanofiber technology, Ingraft promotes bone regeneration, prevents infection, and accelerates recovery. Most importantly, Ingraft's impact extends beyond patients. It has the potential to save the healthcare system billions of dollars globally. This cost savings is in part due to how Ingraft leverages 3D printing with its nanofiber technology to provide patient specific solutions through a unique scaffolding design. Each scaffold is created from FDA approved synthetic materials to enhance bone healing, support early weight bearing, reduce infection, shorten recovery, and possibly eliminate follow up surgeries. The global bone graft market was approximately $3.2 billion in 2024, and it continues to grow. Ingraft's phase strategies target a total addressable market of 1.38 billion and a serviceable obtainable market of 110 million. This market potential was determined by refining the greater bone graft market to only look at synthetic bone graft markets that utilize polymeric materials. Phase 1 focuses on addressing the urgent needs of ambulatory surgical centers in urban areas where there is dense demand and an opportunity to capture a revenue target of up to $21.45 million. Because of the partnership with Harvard, initial focus will be in Boston, along with some market penetration in Oklahoma, since that is where ENF is headquartered and has established relationships for beta testing. Phase 2 expands to hospitals and trauma centers, whereas phase 3 will position Ingraft for acquisition or an IPO when they have begun to capture specialized clinic markets and are performing internationally. This scalable strategy ensures market leadership while fulfilling unmet orthopedic needs. By year 5, it is anticipated that there will be global adoption of Ingraft's technology and products. ENF's business model is built on 3 key revenue streams: direct sales to healthcare providers, licensing agreements with device manufacturers, and insurance reimbursements for approved procedures. A dynamic pricing strategy will introduce Ingraft at below market pricing to encourage early adoption, and ENF will adjust the pricing to eventually be offered at a premium as Ingraft gains market maturity in specialized clinics and across international markets. The value proposition includes superior support, infection control, tracking, and infusability. In order to reach customers, ENF will be highlighting the affordability and safety with initial bulk discounts and cost savings analysis on infection reduction. Later phases are going to target general hospitals, trauma centers, and limb lengthening clinics. There will be emphasis on the superior healing, the tracking of osteoinductivity, porosity, and bioabsorption. Sales of more than 130,000 units are projected, which would achieve the anticipated $110 million of revenue by year 5. Ingraft's use of electrospun nanofiber allows for significant profit margins against cost per unit sold. Beyond these initial markets that primarily deal with long bone defects, there's also additional opportunity to break into the IVD and dental markets. At a current technology readiness level of 6, Ingraft is well on its way to being successfully commercialized and securing significant market position. Prior to the launch of Ingraft as a commercialized product, it's important to note that there's been a decade's worth of traction leading up to this point, beginning with more than $1.8 million in research funding that led to product readiness and preclinical milestones like bone regeneration and integration in animal studies. This innovation is protected by 11 patents that cover methods, apparatus, surgical protocols, and implanting procedures. A partnership with the University of Central Oklahoma allows ENF to hold exclusive rights to these patented nanofiber technologies. Additionally, collaborations with Harvard Medical School, multiple universities, and hospital systems, including OU Health Science Center, Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, as well as pending relationships with Massachusetts General Brigham and with the Rural Oklahoma Health Innovation Network, have ENF Medical poised to take advantage of incubators and accelerators as a venture-backable leader in the synthetic bone graft space. Ingraft outperforms competitors by offering superior weight-bearing bioabsorbable scaffolds with adjustable porosity. Unlike industry giants or competing startups, Ingraft addresses long bone defects with an advanced nanofiber technology and a clear FDA approval pathway. ENF Solutions stands out with adaptability across trauma, osteoporosis, and limb lengthening procedures, ensuring both market relevance and clinical superiority. On top of these differentiations, Ingraft has a competitive advantage of being patient-specific. As the sole product of ENF Medical, Ingraft experiences faster innovation cycles and better patient outcomes than competitors. And beyond faster iteration timelines, Ingraft appeals to customers in a wide range of markets. ENF Medical's NIH seed application received validation from 5 hospitals and 7 orthopedic doctors, all endorsing Ingraft's efficacy. The NYU BAP program recognized Ingraft as a market disruptor with superior features compared to competitors. Institutional endorsements from Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center and the Oklahoma Embry program further reinforce Ingraft's transformative potential in orthopedic care. The Ingraft team combines expertise in nanofiber technology, orthopedic surgery, and biomedical engineering. Dr. Mohammed Al-Masri is the project lead at iLab. He is joined by Dr. Morshid Kandakar, who brings years of nanofiber research and is the founder and CEO of ENF Medical. Dr. Amgad Halim Amin is a co-founder who provides critical clinical insights as an orthopedic surgeon at Massachusetts General and as a professor at Harvard Medical School. Hussein has 5 years of work on this product as a project investigator, and Sadegh brings 6 years of expertise to the table as well. The first advisory board member also happens to be the director of the Harvard Foot and Ankle Research Innovation Lab, which ensures that this team, alongside its other advisors and collaborators, is fully equipped to bring Ingraft to the market and to transform orthopedic care. In closing, Ingraft is more than a product. It's a mission to redefine orthopedic care. Already, there is impact in markets from Oklahoma to the East Coast. With validated innovation, a scalable market strategy, and a dedicated team, ENF Medical is poised to disrupt the bone graft market, improve patient outcomes, and deliver substantial economic benefits. Please join us in this journey to transform the future of regenerative medicine.